Why, hello. There's stuff in front of me. Hey there. I am back for probably the shortest video in this entire series, I'm guessing, because it's a very, very minor mod, but it makes me so happy, and I really wanted to share it with all of you. So, when you buy your Grom, you get a key that looks like this. Maybe if it'll focus. Come on, focus. There you go. You can do it. This right here. You can do it. Maybe if I put it in front of my face. There we go. But it is a boring, plain car key looking. Doesn't even really look like a motorcycle key. It is boring. It is plain. What I did, and it makes me so happy, flip key. This is the key from a second gen Grom, so 2016 to 2020, and you can get blanks for it that you can get cut with your current key, either by taking the key in or this little silver tag that you get with your keys. Mine is flipped around, so you can't see the little secret code, but that's actually the bitting and the depths for the bitting for your key itself. But this makes me so incredibly happy. Size-wise, it is bigger, for sure, than your stock key. You don't have all of this mess to deal with, but happiness factor through the roof. Does it still fit in the ignition? Yes, it does. Fits perfect. Does it still fit the gas tank? Sure does. Fits perfect. I don't know why they ever went away from these. These things are awesome. And it fits in there too. So, get one. These things are so cool. Oh, it makes me so happy. Oh my god. Also, check out the key tag. These are fun. I have a red one and a white one too. Sorry, I was flipping things around. Tried to find the link on Amazon for these key tags, and pretty sure Honda shut them down for copyright infringement, which makes sense, and definitely were not OEM key tags, but it is an OEM key. I did not find any of these on Amazon, so there's no links for that, but I will have the part number, which is right here. Focus. Anyways, I'll have the text link down below. I know Study Garage sells them. I found them on Partzilla. I found them on Revzilla. I found them on Babbitt, so they're around. Lowest price I saw, I think, was Revzilla at like $24, but you can find them in a lot of places for under $30. And then I paid a whopping $9.50 for them to cut the key. So in total, I have a flip key for like 35 bucks, and I just keep flipping it, and it makes me so happy. So I don't know why they ever stopped putting these on the Groms, because I think they're absolutely awesome and just so much fun. So I think get yourself a flip key, be a cool kid, and go ride for a bit. So like I said, super short video. That's it for today. Ooh, sneak peek. Got a big old package from Taiga Performance out of Thailand. Some HRC stickers, but this is a Thai fly screen for the Grom. A little tiny windshield to go on the front. So that'll be the next video. Today, all about the flip key. See y'all later. Like, subscribe, do all those things too. It really helps. Now bye.